头起先来关心的，就是美国总统川普今麦宣布对全球半导体要来扣100%的关税。也毋过，若准你是伫美国生产，安尼就会当掠我。今麦彭哥执行长库克也来宣布，要伫美国搁再加投资1000亿的美金。另外，这印度出口去美国的关税部分已经确定伫21天后，就会用50%来计算。
美国总统川普对全球半导体晶片业者的关税税率答案公布啊。
100% tariff on all chips and semiconductors coming into the United States. But if you've made a commitment to build, or if you're in the process of building, as many are, there is no tariff. Okay? If for some reason you say you're building and you don't build, then we go back and we add it up, it accumulates, and we charge you at a later date. You have to pay.
这场伫白宫办公室举行的记者会，除了川普，也有副总统范斯、财长贝辛德、商务部长卢特尼克甲苹果公司执行长库克，除了关税会当下变，库克也宣布会伫今年初5000亿美金的基础上，搁增加投资美国1000亿美金，会有搁较侪苹果供应链刷回美国。较早的这场记者会，川普才都宣布行政命令对印度增加25%关税，理由是印度有关直接也是间接进口罗西亚石油。21日了后8月底开始，部分印度输往美国商品关税会达到50%，正做巴西以外美国保险盘的相关税率。为了印度纺织品鞋啊、保障甲珠宝业会受到真大冲击。
Highest tariffs in the world, charging on American products, and it's got high non-tariff barriers, so we can't get our products in. India then uses American dollars to buy Russian oil. Russia then uses those American dollars that come from India to finance its armaments to kill Ukrainians.
不过，北京并无对于同款买罗西亚石油的中国采取同款的手段啊，针对记者质疑。北京贸易顾问南华罗安尼回答
：Keep in mind that we have over 50% tariffs on China already. Okay.
Right, but you could
we have,
but they haven't been punished for buying
we,
Russian
we
oil.
have,
India's
we have over 50% tariffs
but
on China, so we don't want to get to a point where we actually hurt ourselves.
名叫做应应罗西亚联邦对美国构成的威胁，这项川普行政命令中，只针对印度无中国，引起北京记者的追问。
Do you have any similar plans to enact more tariffs on China as it relates
Could
to their
happen.
purchases?
Could happen. Depends on how we do. Could happen.
美中伫随便见面了后，两国的贸易谈判又客观。根据美国 CBS 新闻网报道，中国对能源供应的红线大增严，代表中国并未放弃进口路由。对此，美国财长贝辛德也捌表示，中国甘愿付100%的关税，也无要让步。公司新闻洪如梅编译。